how to make a powerful paper plane. The new longest flying rocket model. This isn't just any paper plane, it's a record setter. It doesn't just fly, it glides, soars, and stays in the air longer than most models you've ever made. In this video, we'll show you how to fold a powerful new paper airplane, shaped like a rocket, designed for long-distance flights. You'll need one sheet of paper, stiff or regular office paper works best, scissors for precise shaping, optional, ruler and pencil for clean folds and measurements. This plane is perfect for outdoor launches, distance competitions, or just a fun experiment at home. It flies fast, straight, and very far. Watch the full tutorial. We'll walk you through every fold. Follow along and you'll have a high-performance paper plane ready to break records. If you enjoyed this build, hit like, leave a comment telling us how far your plane flew, and don't forget to subscribe.